Hi, I'm Grant with Master Tech Furniture, and today we're going to show you how we can create a strong repair of a tear on a leather seat cushion, as well as refinish that same seat cushion. As you can see, we've got a hole right in the middle, which we're going to repair and make strong or stronger than the rest of it, as well as some scratches and some finish issues. Now, since it is a removable seat cushion, we're going to be able to access the back. We're going to open the zipper and put our backing right behind that hole, approximately twice the size of the hole in order to give it good support. Once we have it in place, we take a stick pin and press it down into the foam so that it doesn't move as we apply our compound. Take a little bit of our flexible silicone compound and carefully put it on the knife, the palette knife, and introduce it, spread it around evenly between the backing and the leather. A little here, a little there. Since we have our pin in place, we know it's going to be even. Okay, now that we have the compound between the backing and the leather, we're going to carefully remove our center stick pin, and we're going to cure that compound so that it becomes part of the leather and the backing. With heat, a Teflon pad, we apply the heat, and that will cure the flexible silicone. Alright, now that we have enough heat, we're going to withdraw the heat with our cold block. This finishes the job of curing the compound. Remove our Teflon. Check the repair. Next, we're going to fill up any of the gaps left from the small tear and create a grain so that you cannot tell where the repair was. First, another small amount of the flexible compound right over top of the tear, feathered out. Remove the excess compound. Then we have our graining patch. Exactly matches the grain of the leather. We place that with the Teflon on top of it, over the repair, and apply heat. Again, we take a cold block to remove the remainder of the heat and finish the curing process. Check the repair, make sure the grains match while the compound is thoroughly cured. That finishes the repair of the hole. Now it's time to effect a refinishing of the entire sofa cushion. It has been thoroughly cleaned, so the next step is to apply what is basically a primer for leather. It will help the new paint and pigment stick to the old finish so that it does not rub off when you sit on it. A generous application on the old paint. We really don't want it to dry before we apply our pigment, so we do half a cushion at a time and apply our first coat. Just like when you order paint at your local hardware store, after they mix it, They want to make sure it's going to dry the right color, and that's what we're going to do here today. Nothing like watching paint dry. And now time for the second half. Another good coat of our primer. And another layer of paint. Overlapping first coat to the second coat. And once again, watching paint dry. Notice how light it is to begin with. As it dries, it will darken. Check the finish, make sure it's smooth, no bubbles, no wrinkles, no rough feeling. As leather takes quite a beating, we like to do at least 2 coats. Again with the primer, always want our paint to stick to our paint. And now we can refinish the front of the cushion. Now that we have fully pigmented and painted our couch cushion, we want to put a last coat of sealer on here. Just as you would put a clear coat of sealer on your car. Leather takes a lot of abuse, so we're going to put a nice clear coat on the leather. And last but not least is our protection cream. Very important in the maintenance of your leather. It actually does 2 things very important. It rehydrates your leather with the correct type of oils that belong in your leather, and some fine waxes to protect your new finish from life. This product is made by Leather Master, an Italian company, and as we know, the Italians make the best leather, and in order to protect that, they also make the best leather products. I highly recommend Leather Master products. Typical maintenance for your leather is about 2 to 4 times a year. One should clean and condition your leather. Checking our repair. And there you have the completed strong repair and refinishing of the couch cushion. So don't despair. If you have some problems, we can restore it.